Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called obsolete inventory. So, what is obsolete inventory? It is a term that refers to inventory that is at the end of its product life cycle. This inventory has not been sold or used for a long period of time and is not expected to be sold in the near future. This type of inventory has to be written down or written off and can cause large losses for the company. Obsolete inventory is also referred to as dead inventory or excess inventory. The inventory refers to the goods and materials in a company's possession that are ready to be sold. It is one of the most important assets of a business operation as it accounts for a huge percentage of sales company's revenue. In the past, if the inventory was held for too long, the goods may have reached the end of their product life and become obsolete. Currently, with the technology, the state of abundance and customers' high expectation, the product life cycle has become shorter and inventory becomes obsolete much faster. Obsolete inventory is inventory that a company still has on hand and after it should have been sold. When inventory can't be sold in the market, it declines significantly in value and could be deemed useless to the company. To recognize the fall in value, obsolete inventory must be written down or written off in the financial statements in accordance with generally accepted accounting principle or any other local accounting standard. For example, a company identifies $8,000 worth of obsolete inventory. It then estimates that the inventory can be still sold in the market for $1,500 and proceeds to write down the inventory value. Since the value of inventory has fallen from $8,000 to $1,500, the difference represents the reduction in value that needs to be reported in the accounting journal. That is roughly $6,500. Thanks for watching. Bye.